Okay, so welcome to Stock Market Universe. As we have seen that last sessions were very profits, we had earned 20 lakhs more than that. Every day we have a WhatsApp channel where I post my each and every profits. You can go for 9403 520409 and you can ask your questions and what your trades are. As in the morning, we do give jackpot trades for everyone in our WhatsApp. So, I again welcome all of you. Today, we are going to check it for this one option chain. Option chain is basically a thing where the call writer who feels that the value should not go more than the current strike price, and the put writer who feels that the volume or the people are more bullish in the stock market. The put writers and call writers, this was a theory, and the single naked put means from the current strike price the value should go down very fast, and naked call options means the value from the current strike price in the nifty bank spot should go more higher and more higher. Now what is option chain? So you have to understand one thing. Option chain is basically the people who are standing in the bullish line or in the bearish lines. So there are many leased lines taken for 25 lakhs rupees per month where you can see on every strike, on every each 5 paisa where the people are standing or buying or selling. So in the option chain now you can see a very heavy unwinding. Like 5 lakh people have unwinded in the 10 lakh in the 10,100. We were not extremely bullish actually yesterday. The data in the pre opening session changed dramatically. How it changed, why it changed, we can't say. This just like sell on bad good news and just buy on bad news like markets is going. As you can see, the corona is like just spreading like anyhow. So we can see that in the 10,106 lakh 85,000, just look at the mouse where I'm pointing it. 6,85,000 new peoples are added in change in open interest. 16 lakh peoples are already there from yesterday. And over here, almost 18 lakh people were there. And we can see unwinding of 5 lakh peoples. We can see unwinding at 10,200, almost 7 lakh. It is a huge amount, huge amount. This is just like the people who are these all peoples are shorting in the markets like very heavily. Like see this, 7, these were not yesterday's figures, these are the today figures. 7 lakh people added, and they are just unwinding their all their shorts. Like they feel that market will not go more than 10,200, but now they are feeling that market may go 10,200. That clearly indicates that tomorrow will be a very special day or a short covering day. Now see, like 10,100 over here, almost like 22 lakh people are there. Now people are thinking that tomorrow there may be a gap up opening, a massive gap up like more than 70 or 80 points, and we can land up over tomorrow's pre-opening session at the 10,200. Now the understandable thing is, if we get 10,171 and the gap up, and it just maintain above and above and above and does don't go below 171, and it sustains this 200, then we can see that 238 value, 10,238. And if the 10,238 is given, the next week we are directly going at this region, at this 10,400 region. Just see now, over the people who are thinking that the value of the nifty will not go more than 10,100, over unwinding is there. Here 18 lakh people are there, just literally 70% down. Now this 11 lakh people, almost 2% people are down, and this 25 lakh people, still there are some mandaria people who thinks that the value will not go more than 10,300, or they expect that maybe the value will come till 10,300, but it will not sustain and just leave near like by 10,200 and 10,250 for this expiry. Now let's see, today's Wednesday, so this is the data for tomorrow. Like tomorrow, what can happen? What is the scenario? What is the range? Now you can see the 30 lakh people near by 10,000. Now 10,000 is such a strong base, and after that 10,050 is also 5 lakh peoples, and 2 lakh peoples are there, almost 7 to 8 lakh peoples are standing. So there is no question that the 10,050 will be retested. No, no, no. 10,050 will not be retested tomorrow. So it clearly makes a range of 10,000 like 75 to 10,000 to 50 almost, or max to max 10,000 to 75. But you can see the unwinding over in the put writing also at the 10,300. So maybe closing come near 10,200 and 10,300 to 50 nearby. Okay, so now let's see the put call ratio. So see, the put writers are more, they are massive 20 lakhs, and by the time the yesterday was, put writers were very less than the call writers, but today call writers are just massively made a huge loss. We can, so it clearly indicates that the tomorrow some short coverings may come. Short, if tomorrow it heavily gap ups, then market will some come till over to 50. So iv is very less actually. Okay, so put side, I see this call writing iv is very great. So it clearly indicates that though the market goes up very sharply, but it may take some pivot point resistance and come down, but market will not rise up and up and up very fast, but it will come some down, down and down. That is what the iv is currently showing. Now let's see what happened today in the like charts. We are using Zerodha Kite because it is very fluently to use and very fast to use. Nowadays new features are added in Zerodha. I used to use angels and all the things, but they are not yet so fast. So I use Zerodha. Though I'm having a high speed Wi-Fi, still it's taking so slow. Well, I'm very happy on SBI. Actually, we like let's see SBI. We were very bullish from 154, and it just hits our massive target 199 within 7 to 8 trading sessions. It was a massive like 7 lakh profit in that things. Like, see, now we are using some Hekinashi. We are using Hekinashi because for the newcomers, I want to make this candlesticks very easy to use. Now we'll just do one thing for newcomers. There is nothing like see, this is a very strong supply zone in the SBI, and now it is just trading like this. Still, it has not breached close below 185. Anywhere close below 185 will directly take this SBI to 160, 160 odd levels below this support levels, this U shape like. Okay, so what we expect, we can see make it clear vision in one day. SBI is a very sticky stock. See, now it is just making a parabola like this. See, it's just making like a parabola, and here all the profits are getting booked, and you can see this. This is a very like hanging people's like this, very lazy hanging people's. They are not working hard to go up. So what is the thing is happening in SBI is we can see it very clearly is that maybe there maybe take some resistance in 190 odd levels, then again come down, and then there is a short covering directly to 195 odd levels for tomorrow. Let's see, but still SBI is in the bullish zone. Let's see what the candlesticks are speaking to us much. So not much it's not, it's not actually working so speedily. It's just same like Hekinashi. There was a chance over here to lift it up over here. We can see a very good doji, but still it tested the base of the doji more than that downside in the SBI. So let's see what the trend line is showing over here. Okay, so this is a 1 hour chart. Basically, it is actually making a parabola. So it's very difficult. I think Here what we should do is we should make a resistance line, we should draw a resistance line, and let's see, like, okay, 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 this is very sensitive mouse. So this is the level for now over here, and we will take one more line over here like this. Okay, like this. So not so good in SBI, but if anywhere tomorrow gaps up like 191.10 paisa, you can directly buy it for the targets of 196, and then more on and on, add on more till tomorrow, till Friday. We will go for, like, market should go up and up. So anywhere till, wait. I think there is something happening. So we can test this targets for 207 odd levels. Yeah. See, everywhere you see the pattern, see the pattern in the long term. Like there is a U shape and there is a huge recovery. U shape, and this is a U shape. This is some, see, there was no backside retracement. It just went up, and the retracement which did not happen over here. It made it here and here. Again, it is trying to test these levels. I think maybe one more it will make like inverted head and shoulders, like till 188, or again till 186, and then again it will go to 207 odd levels, and then afterwards more short covering is there. So HDFC is a very good, like SBI is a very good. It has having 3,000 lots per share. I think SBI is a good candidate to buy for tomorrow. So HDFC is too overweighted. It cannot go more than 1875. Reliance, I think tomorrow Reliance is a selling candidate. So see, actually, any we were like today in selling mood, like over here. I had a stop loss bill in the pre-opening session of like 1543, actually 1540, but it got open at 1541. It got opened up, went down to 3 rupees, and then retraced back. So after 1543 there was no chance to short it. We started buying and buying, and we did book the profit over this pivot point later at 1556. Then again, after this level was crossed, this pivot point level is crossed, we again buyed it, and we are just sitting over here. Actually, we have not yet booked the profit, but anywhere it goes down 1566, we will literally book the profits. We're expecting a short covering like 1600, 1590, 1600 over, or max to max 1592 at least. We expect this downfall like this, like this, like this, like this, till 1550, like at least till 1580, like over here. We are expecting a downfall actually. We are expecting this point 1480 point, we are expecting this point. So anywhere you get over here upside, just short it down. You can take buy a 1400 put, and it may cost you for 7 rupees or 6 rupees. It means that 3000 rupees you are having a risk for that only. And you can put a stop loss if you are getting a heavy loss. But for tomorrow, let's see what the ADX is showing. Actually, today we can see this something. ADX power is 24, then green line signal is 30, then short lines are 19. I think I should minus it. 19 minus 24, that's 5. 24 minus 25, that's 5. Oh, it's like 1 is to 1 ratio, but still the put is very wide. It may come up like a massive. Let's see what happens. Maybe strength go over here, and then it will again go at higher levels. But I don't think tomorrow this may go failure. Yeah, it has, maybe for tomorrow it comes over here like 46 levels, like 1592 levels, and then again grab it down. So actually we wanted to see for oh, very interesting trade today for, it was India Bull Housing Finance. Wow, what a massive setup. So we are actually sitting from not 123, we are 129, I think. Where is that? Yes, this was a breakout somewhere here only. We were sitting at a buy level for a target of 175 rupees. And you can see today it went up till I did not sell anywhere over this. I was waiting for this. If I wanted to quit, I would have quit at 137. I did not quit it. We are still in the trade over here, almost from 130 to 160. We are having almost 700 stocks in buying, so we are at really good profit. We expect this to go almost to 170 odd levels, so we are waiting for it. Now let's see in the daily time frame actually what went good when the stock is going so up and up. So let's see. So today's closing is up to the previous almost like previous pivots and resistance points. Still, we expect to go 173, 174. Then it will go up. It will again come down, and again it may retrace directly to 230 and 250 odd levels. So we actually have a almost have a target of 241 rupees. So we are sitting in 130 and our target is 240, so it's not a bad. We are having 700 stocks, so this is a very interesting thing. So let's go. Actually, I wanted to see Nifty. Yeah, yeah, Nifty. I want to study for Nifty. Okay, so let's see for Nifty now. Ah, this is just like just Nifty is just playing with us. It does not want to show that I am bullish. So now this is I'll just rub this all drawings actually. This is for advanced people, not for the beginners. And let me finish this clear drawings. I'm actually very weak at drawings. I was very weak in my college drawings also, and over here also, but I do draw trend lines very well. Okay, and I do follow some basic moving averages, which all the FIs and all the algo trades also work very. Now you can just see this, see this, like I just get the cross lines. Okay, so see, there was nothing like, see, I like there this after this line, after this line, either the profit booking we expect over in this range, but it gapped up literally. See this gapped up, that clearly indicates that there was some bad selling pressure or bad news something. So it came down. Again, it went like a shooting star, and again it came down. And see, like a frog, it is just jumping up and down and up and down, up and down, again up and down, again up and again down. Again, this is up. This is something like very lazy and very tired. Like this went up. This is exhaustion gap actually. An exhaustion gap got filled like anything. It was just trapped 3,000 lakh crores, so much. 3 lakh crores, not 3,000. I'm so sorry for that. So let's see again. This is a lazy man, like a very tired man, and just spreading its legs over here and here, like acute angles and some stupidity. So no, the main trend, like it started, is from here. See now, after this level, after this candle levels was broken, see that we can see a ascending triangle. Now I'm drawing the lines, just follow the cross lines. Okay, this cross. Okay, so this was the ascending triangle. It came from like this landing upside, and this was a very straight line, and that breakout literally gave almost 1100 points within 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 days. Only 9 days, friends, only 9 days. This was a running away gap. Okay, and there was a very bullish trend in ADX also. ADX also moved up and up from very lazy zones. So what will happen tomorrow? Will the market come down, or will it go up? Now, this is a very $1 million questions. So now see, here the if you can see the past over here, it tried to come over here. It tried to come up. Same you can see over there. It tried to come up. It tried to come up. but this is not like try to come up. Okay, so now we will go for next gap, which was gap down session. So we can see that tomorrow markets will retrace upside. Again, there will be like this gap up zones, and then we will decide what to do in the market. Market will be ranging till 11,000 300 to 11,600 or maybe 12,000 also. It will not go massively up, but structure is showing that there can be some correction also, but not tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't expect the corrections. We expect some a candle upside and down. We expect a gap up over here tomorrow, some flat gap up like 40-50 points, like this was the opening zone. So we expect the gap up above 196. If the gap sustains over here, then we can again gain some points till 290 or 300, but it will not sustain and it will come again to 238. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Let me see what is the small time frame showing. I will go only for 1 hour. So see, this is the range, and we got a very good 274 is the tomorrow's value. Yes, tomorrow's value is 274. Now see, this is again ascending triangle breakout at 138, and market is just close above it. And but this was something like failure actually. So maybe even if it gap downs tomorrow, you have to buy for the targets of this trade, like not that one, this one, 235 to 257. You have to buy in here, and if it gaps up and it sustains over to here 206, it will go up, it will come down, then it will go up, and then it may come like 250 to 238 zones. Because you can see that there are the three, this is the candle which is very big, and these are the way two candles showing very laziness, and then again the profit booking started because here all the buyers were so like tired, literally angry, because people were not in, retailers are not taking interest. So it they double sold off, they sold off everything over here. And here the retailer where he was selling over here, he was thinking he is the Singham, so they got trapped, and till here also they got trapped. And here all the premium of the puts were finished, vanished off. And over here what happened is that all the having call puts vanished off over here. See this, all naked calls got vanished. So it clearly indicates, it actually means that these all unwinding 7 lakh peoples, 1 lakh peoples, 3 lakh peoples, 3 lakh peoples, 8 lakh people, 6 lakh people, these all stupid fellows were in naked call. These all stupid fellows were all in naked calls, and they got trapped. These are all the intelligent traders. These are all the intelligent traders who were hedged this upside and downside. So this side, all the call writings are all the calls, naked calls options are just unwind. I don't talk at that stupid, like actually I'm calling myself as a stupid because I was also the one who were buying in options rather than put writing. But I still got some profits, and I just quitted some lots, so I should be in futures right now. So we can see that tomorrow HDFC, Yes Bank, HDFC, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, IBUL, REC. These are all, REC will touch 110 to 120, 1112 odd levels, 12 points more from here. Okay. NCC, Union Bank, Idea. So all tomorrow will be the stock specific action, pure stock specific action. The stocks which are not working from more than 2 to 3 weeks, just watch that and just think of buying them only. Okay, so tomorrow's specific sector will be for chemical sector, for education sector, for NIT techs and all that, Ambuja cement sector, small sectors. And tomorrow will not be the day for pharma sector. Get get that thing very clearly. Okay, so very basic, like may come highest. Tomorrow, TCS, Infosys, IT stocks may grew up, Wipro and all the things. And what we can see is the just watch for pre-opening sessions, and after pre-opening sessions again watch. If they are bullish, then buy them only after 12:30 or 11 a.m. And after pre-opening session, if the if the high percentage stocks comes down, watch them if they can be sold. So you have to watch and listen this video almost 2 to 3 times, and whenever I'm talking you have to jot down that points and write it in your notes. So it was a very nice session talking with you. So this is Dave, that stock market universe, signing off. Thank you. Any questions, just write me down. 9403 520 409. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Miss you guys till tomorrow.